Hey guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to connect Shipstation to Shopify. In order to do this, first of all, navigate to admin.shopify.com. Log in using your user credentials and you'll be on this page. On this page, select apps under sales channel. So you will be on your dashboard. On your dashboard, click on the apps option just right here. Now you will see a search bar. In this search bar, type in Shipstation. Now you will see Shipstation just right here. Click on this. After that, you will see this page. On this page, click on the install button just right here. After you click on install, this is going to open another page on your screen. On this page, you can see this can view your personal data. It can view and edit stored data accordingly. So I will click on the install button at the bottom of this page. Now it will take some time and this will take us to this shipstation.com's page. On this page, what you're going to do is simply add your first name in this section, last name in this section, add your email address, enter a password, confirm a password, select I have read and agreed to the terms of service and privacy policy and click on start your free trial. After you click on start your free trial, you'll be successfully able to start and link your Shopify to Shipstation. So this section is for creating a Shipstation account. After you create your account, you'll have to click on the login and connect my account button. When you click on this button, this will ask your username or email and password to log into Shipstation. After you click on login, you will have successfully connected your Shopify to your Shipstation account. And that's a simple way to connect Shipstation to Shopify. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe and hit that notification bell. And I will see you in the next video.